Hi, vloggers.
Hi, vloggers. Hi, vloggers. My name is Maxine.
And you, what is your name, anak?
Baby Z.
Okay. What are you making today?
Bread.
What kind of bread? Pandesal in Pinoy.
I'm going to get this.
Okay. Say hi first.
You can use this.
Say, what is your name, visitor?
Hi!
Okay. Yeah.
Say hi.
I forgot my name.
Oh my God. What is your name?
Healthy.
Healthy. Okay, now go. Water with 2 and 1.
Okay, you want to do it also.
Okay, then she will stir that one because
No, you don't need to stir that. No,
hindi ba?
No, hindi siya i-stir.
Ay, hindi ba?
Oo, kasi
Mali naman si yung nagbibideo. Sorry po mga nakikinig.
that's in the baby. Talagyan natin. Sugar. Tabot na.
Ang hirap pong magturo sa bata. Pasensya na po yung ano na to. Ayan, lalagay ang
Sugar.
Mommy, I get sugar. I did the sugar. I did the sugar.
Okay. We will let it rest until it gets it will form some bubbles like that. Foamy. It will be like foamy. And that's the time that it means the yeast has been activated. We can use it for making our pandesal. Okay, Maxine, you can add this
Okay, listen to tita.
2 eggs. They are pre-beaten, so you have to place them here. No, you have to lift it.
Pour it there.
Towards the...
Take out the
Take it off.
spoon.
Go.
Okay, go ahead.
Stand up, anak. More.
For everything.
Okay.
Okay. And then you can add this. No, not yet.
Then that one, anak.
Add this to the egg.
No. Ma, what are you putting? Let me too.
Very
Okay.
good. So
Add
then,
sugar.
then, see. It's your turn, see. Then,
Okay,
see turn.
Baby Z's turn.
Okay.
Okay, your turn, Baby Z.
Yeah.
Come.
You stand with Ate Maxine.
Stand beside Ate. Okay, you can
How about
pour
we
it.
two help? Whoa.
Oh.
Dapat yun.
There you go.
Rowie, can you put
Good
one
job.
chair?
And then this.
This one, ito, yung
1
kay Ate.
cup
Lynn.
of lukewarm water.
Ito,
can
anak
also
ko.
use milk.
Para. Okay, very good.
You busted me.
Kali. Yung pa sa
And then that one.
Very
Good
good,
job.
sweet. Okay.
Then
It's okay.
we will add this.
Just warm. That one is just warm.
Don't help it.
Then, 1, 2.
1.
I'll help.
Okay.
I help mommy. I help too.
Okay. Nainip na si tita kaya siya na naglalagay. 2, and then site, 2, 3. O then, sisay naman. Sisi naman, anak, ang maglalagay.
I do it.
Sandali lang, anak. Okay, sandali
Okay,
lang,
wait
anak.
lang, anak.
Okay, here. Malagay mo.
Very good. Then 1/2 na lang. Pang 4 na yun.
I help you.
Ganyan talaga pagkaan.
There's more spoon there.
It's okay, it's okay.
Yeah, I did it.
Yeah, you did it. Very good. And then that one, anak.
I don't get a turn.
Okay.
Get this. Okay.
Nice. Oh, you need to linis, anak. You use your spoon.
Mommy, this is here.
Oh, sit ka kay ate. Yeah, ito oh, chair.
There's a chair over there.
Ngayon, paano na ako bababa?
Where's your chair?
Hindi pa sumasali. Paano na?
A five. A five.
High five daw, high five, high five, high five.
A five.
Mama. Okay. Parang ano yun?
That's so big.
Da.
Uh-oh. It's a lot. A five.
High five daw, anak. High five.
See. See. Come on.
Nice knock, right?
Hey, don't pull it. Don't pull it.
Parang silang gumagawa eh. Pero pwede mong iniyan, di ba?
Pwede naman.
You like it? Yeah. It's
High five daw. High five, anak. High five.
You did it!
It's so big! It's getting bigger! Yes, it's getting bigger! Mom, it's getting bigger!
Pag may isang bata dong sumisingit oh.
That smell. This one.
Smell. You smell good.
Slime. It looks like slime falling down. Mommy, what do you take off your wings?
Kaya paano niregalo
Take off your wing, Mommy.
Because I'm going to...
Okay, anak, ganito. Kagaya ng ginagawa namin ni tita. Ganon, anak. Tayo ka din. Ikot mong ganon. Yan. Tapos ikot mo siya sa arena. Iwan mo, sa gilid mo. Then, ganon mo kasi your hand.
One boy.
That's enough, baby. Just do it like this.
Ganon, no? Ganon, anak. Pababa. You get more flowers.
Baby Zay. Is that nice?
Oh, careful there. Just little, anak. Spread here. Spread. Spread. Okay, thank you.
Make it.
Yeah, okay.
I can do it.
How many minutes, Mare? 10 minutes?
10 minutes.
With love, with love.
Yeah, it's so soft. Okay, no, don't. Okay, you hold this, then you cut this. One.
I don't have to do it.
Okay, I will help you.
Let me
Two.
try.
Yeah, she will try the half part. 3.
Careful, anak. That is that
4.
sharp?
No, not really. A bit. 5.
bit.
Okay, Maxine's turn.
Mommy.
You know how to do it, Maxine? 1, 2, 3. This is a bit of a bigger compared to regular size pandesal, but we'll enjoy
that
it
one is big?
anyway.
Uy, ano yun, ano yun?
Mine is not big.
Oh, like that?
Ooh. Oh, don't put it over one another.
Oh, it's burning. Wow.
Don't. Yeah, and this, that. Okay. Good
Burnt
job,
chocolate.
Maxine.
Who wants burnt chocolate?
And me.
Wow.
Victor. That's what Jess is talking about. It should have milk.
Wow.
Oh, wow. We have to slice some more.
Flapping it.
We have to slice some more.
Pandesal. Lakas mo, anak. Oh, then you try. Can you bite one? Oh, it's hot. This one is a small one. Can you try? You bite? Ay! What? Yummy. Say bye.
Bye.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Say it.
I want the chocolate.
Okay.